Hey guys, Ethereum is above $2,000. Altcoins are starting to surge, and we are on the verge of alt season. In this video, I updated the Altcoin Daily's info on AI tokens and found some very important details that will allow you to profit from the AI trend. Let's go now! Some altcoins are starting to pump for 20 to 30%. As I suggested in recent videos, the alt season is about to begin, and this is a period where altcoins grow very fast and a lot. The last strong alt season was in November 2021. Back then, some altcoins surged by 800 to 1,000% in just 1 month. Now there is every reason to expect similar growth for AI coins by the end of April. And now I am going to tell you why. Firstly, the trend around AI altcoins has not yet fully played out. I am expecting a second wave of the pump, as I did with metaverse coins. The AI field doesn't stand still and is evolving every day. The next version of GPT-5 is scheduled to launch before the end of this year and could reach human-like intelligence. Even Elon Musk pumped AI tokens today, but then deleted the tweet. The other day, it was reported that OpenAI, the developer of ChatGPT, is recruiting a team to develop an application on Android and iOS. The trend is evolving, and crypto is definitely not going to be left behind. Even Amazon is launching new AWS generative AI tools, Amazon Bedrock. And this is just the tip of the iceberg of what is happening in this area right now. Second, Bitcoin's dominance has bounced back from an important level. When Bitcoin's market share declines, that means capital is being poured into stablecoins or altcoins. Since the market is growing, the liquidity is gradually pouring into altcoins, which causes growth. Another confirmation signal of the alt season is well seen on the ETH-BTC chart. Ether starts to show strength against Bitcoin. A similar pattern was seen in the fall of 2021, which is when the alt season was. Remember, however, that history does not guarantee it will repeat itself in the future. I am considering a possible scenario, but I wouldn't be 100% sure. So, we've sorted out that the market is on the cusp of an alt season, and AI coins could skyrocket very soon. Next, I'm going to break down the AI altcoins with the most growth potential. The first token that Altcoin Daily mentioned was Ocean Protocol. I reviewed this asset back in February, but since then there have been many important updates, which I will share with you. The price of Ocean has bounced off an important demand zone, which I've outlined in previous videos. This could be the beginning of a bullish trend. So let's take a closer look at the situation. Globally, I see a distribution zone at 50 to 60 cents. However, in case of a strong alt season, the price may break through this zone and surge above $1. On the lower time frame, I see a very rare and strong pattern, which indicates an imminent Ocean token pump. The pattern is called a cup and handle. A cup and handle is considered a bullish signal extending an uptrend, and it is used to spot opportunities to go long. Therefore, in April and May, I expect Ocean to go up twice as much as current prices. But remember that I'm not giving financial advice, just sharing my thoughts. For those who forgot, Ocean Protocol connects data providers and data consumers in a blockchain-based marketplace. Ocean Protocol was selected among hundreds of candidates as one of the World Economic Forum's technical pioneers. This underscores the fundamental nature of the project. In addition, Ocean launched the first data marketplace on Filecoin Virtual Machine, so the project is developing and is worth your attention. And while we're moving on to the biggest AI coin, don't forget to like this video. With every like, you add 10% to the growth of your portfolio. The second asset that Altcoin Daily mentioned is the graph with the GRT token. It is the largest token among those related to AI. Like in the previous altcoin, I have broken down the graph before, but now I will share important updates. Let's start with your favorite charts. GRT didn't make it to my planned buy zone below 9 cents, but it was still a fairly strong correction of 50%, so we can expect a slight rise next. If you look at the chart more globally, GRT is in a long accumulation phase. Technically, it is a good buying zone, and large funds and investors are buying here. The nearest distribution zone is at $1.20. This is 600% more expensive than the current price. However, there is a very important nuance that Altcoin Daily did not cover in its video. In the first 3 months after GRT's listing, there were only just over 1 billion tokens on the market. Once the unlocks started, the price plummeted by more than 95% because there was too much supply in the market. At the moment, there are almost 9 billion GRT tokens on the market. Even if the price rises above $1, the graph would be capitalized at $9 billion, which is the level of Solana or Polygon, and is almost unrealistic unless the graph enters into a partnership with OpenAI. In the second part of this video, we are going to analyze 2 projects. One of them is dangerous for investing, but the second one can repeat Solana's success. If you like my market analysis, subscribe to the channel so as not to miss important updates on the market. The third project in Altcoin Daily's video is the Matrix AI network with MAN token. Matrix AI is transforming brainwaves into code with AI. The project was launched back in 2016 but has only come to life now, during the AI trend. Let's dig deeper and see if this is a scam or a really worthy project. The first red flag is the lack of any investors in the project. And if there's no money, then there's no pump. Well, let's see if there is any volume on the exchanges. But even here, we see that MAN is traded on only 2 exchanges with volumes up to $200,000. Even for the crypto market, this is very small. The smaller the volumes, the easier to manipulate the price. On the chart, you can see that the price has already surged a lot since the beginning of the year and is in the distribution phase. This is a bad point to buy, and given that the project's fundamentals are very weak, I would not invest in this asset. And now let's move on to one of the most undervalued projects in this niche. The last altcoin today will be Render with the token RNDR. The Render network is the leading provider of decentralized GPU-based rendering solutions. The project solves the problem with the lack of servers faced by the AI application developers. Obviously, the demand for GPUs will only grow, and as a consequence, the RNDR token will surge too. Render Network has raised $30 million in investments from Solana Ventures, Multicoin, and even Alameda Research. If you remove the last one, the list of funds is quite promising. Let's analyze the project's future with the help of charts. On the daily time frame, RNDR has left the long accumulation zone and is approaching the distribution zone. At the beginning of February, there was a local pump, but now the price is forming probably the next accumulation zone before the next growth. If you look closer, a couple of days ago, a triangle was broken though, and the price showed a rising trend. If we manage to hold the trend line, the price should show a significant increase of 3 to 4 times before mid-May. In May, I would already fix the altcoins according to the well-known saying, sell in May and go away. So guys, today I broke down 4 AI altcoins and the reasons for a possible alt season. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, please. This way you won't miss out on the opportunity to make money in the market. Thanks for watching your Coin Post.